bad you don't have audio too.
Yeah, I usually cut out the audio. Just
makes a nice sound.
Yeah.
Actually, there's somebody there. Gum Up Works. This place is a real cluster. There's too many people for the amount of ground that's going on.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? Oh, I can go kind of around the square, I guess. Tell you what, I'll go down and turn around at the school.
Perfect.
I probably showed the boost gauge pump up.
Yes.
So we can... Oh wait, you don't have sound anyway.
Yeah, I'm probably going to cut the sound just because they don't like sound in the background or people as much as we can cut up people out.
Now, I can turn around at the school or go further. That's your call.
Well, when you turn around at the school, at least people see, you know, it goes. And I'll include a little sound in the middle so they can hear the engine.
Now, right now, I've got it in touring. Oh, you know what?
Yeah.
If you're taking a video, I want you to take one of the spoiler coming up, and they can see that active arrow work.
Yep, let's do that.
Yeah. Now I have to stand on it to activate it.
Sounds good.
And I would get ready to turn around now. Think you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep.
And then when we come to a stop, it'll go down. Which we're coming to that light pretty soon. So. And then here's the suspension. You're going to feel it right firmer quickly. Feel the difference?
Yeah, I did right when we hit that bridge.
Yeah. Oh, good. Light turn, so put it back on touring. And then
Oh, you know what, that
will
spoiler's gonna go down.
come down. Did you get it?
Yep, I sure did.
I'll tell you, it's very unusual for one, well, actually, I've never had one this age because I quit buying them, or anything for that matter.
Yeah.